Hi students, I hope you all will be doing well. Unit 2.1 I Have a Dream, Martin Luther King Jr. is in progress. Before starting the lecture, let me answer the question I have asked earlier. Martin Luther King Jr. Who is Martin Luther King Sr.? Martin Luther King Sr. was an African American Baptist pastor, missionary, and an early figure in the civil rights movement. He was the father and namesake of civil rights leader Martin Luther King Jr. Dear students, in my previous lecture I told you Martin Luther King Jr. asks the followers to answer physical force with soul force, and in the last paragraph of the last lecture is the answer to the question asked by Americans, when will you be satisfied? Martin Luther answers the question that they will never be satisfied until they are granted their rights of life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness. Today I will try to explain the next paragraphs. Look at the paragraph. I am not unmindful that some of you have come here out of great trials and tribulations. Trial and tribulations mean troubles, hard times. Some of you have come fresh from narrow jail cells. Jail cell. What is jailbird? A person who is or has been repeatedly in prison is called jailbird. Some of you have come from areas where your quest means thirst for freedom left you battered, mean injured, beaten by the storms of persecution. Persecution means oppression, cruelty, and staggered by the winds of police brutality. Staggered means stumble, falter, falter. For example, his courage staggered in the face of the battle. Brutality means cruelty. You have been the veterans of creative suffering. Veterans mean old hand, past master, old chap. Of creative suffering. Suffering mean troubles. Continue to work with the faith that unearned suffering is redemptive. What does this phrase mean? This sentence mean unearned suffering is redemptive. Martin Luther wants to acknowledge that they are suffering and that isn't right, but because they are on the side of justice, then continuing to do what's right will set them free and save them from sin. In other words, they are encouraged to suffer more in order to get freedom. Even if they spend time in jail. Look at the next paragraph. Go back to Mississippi, go back to Alabama, go back to South Carolina, go back to Georgia, go back to Louisiana, and go back to the slums and ghettos of our northern cities, knowing that somehow this situation can and will be changed. Let us not wallow in the valley of despair. Slums mean a house in such an area. Ghettos, ghettos means a part of a city, especially a slum area occupied by minority group. Dear students, look at this sentence. Let's not wallow in the valley of despair. Wallow means lie, Lie. In the valley of despair, despair means despondency, hopelessness. Dear students, let's not wallow in the valley of despair. He invites his people to rise from their despair, from their despondency. Why? Because Martin Luther King Jr. envisions a just society. A society where former enemies may sit together as brothers and where all children will have the same rights and freedoms. I say, look at the next paragraph. I say to you today, my friends, that in spite of the difficulties and frustrations mean hopelessness, of the moment, I still have a dream. This is his vision. It's dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. What does this sentence mean? Live out the true meaning of its creed. King means that he wants everyone to be equal with another, no matter what color skin they have. We hold these truths to be self evident, truths to be the great truth contained in the Declaration of Independence stand on their own. They are self evident and require no supporting testimony or further evidence to prove the truth. They are fundamental. That all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of farmer slaves and the sons of farmer slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. To sum up, you learned that the father of Martin Luther King Jr. was Martin Luther King Sr. Martin Luther King Jr. encouraged his followers to suffer in order to achieve your freedom. He invites his followers not to remain in the valley of despondency because he sees freedom for them all. It's all for today. Thank you and have a blessed day.